You can see the crater formed in 2001 eruption, just here.
A roller coaster. You got steady shot for a volcano.
I've never been on such a bumpy bus. 2017.
17.
Not all eruptions come from the summit by any means. In recent years, some spectacular craters have appeared down here, a kilometre or two away. Francesco and Gianpaolo lead us to explore. Although the largest crater up there is brooding, the most recent activity is from a smaller cone further away.
And this is the recent lava from 2017 and started the activity from the southeast crater and lasted the activity 1 month continuously. And you can see the different lava, okay? Because this is red because it contain silica and iron, okay? Oh, the other one is black,
Yeah.
because contain the other mineral.
It makes a noise.
Yeah,
It sounds like metal.
yeah, it's the metal. Yeah, it's the same because it contain iron. As of this, all the different lava.
It's really crunchy, isn't it?
Are you able to predict an eruption?
It's very difficult to predict the eruption, but sometimes the volcanologists, they are the seismographic instrument, the other instrument. But it's possible to predict when the magma come inside the pipe, because creating the big pressure, and then form the fracture at the side of the volcano. In the last activity, not possible to predict because started the activity escaped the big activity in 12 September, but not predicted, surprise. The big block, the big rock escaped to the top, but not possible to predict. And now we go to the crater because across the activity from 2002 eruption and around of this crater, and you can see the biggest crater formed by the fracture and lasted 3 months continuously. The lava come down from here 3, 4, 5 kilometers from the crater and arrive to the parking place near the Rifugio Sapienza.
Well, 40-mile-an-hour winds, we're surviving. But boy, it's fresh up here.
I didn't realise there were so many people on a volcano, on an active volcano.
We are here inside the crater formed from 2002 eruption, and you can see the biggest crater because the fracture started at the side, the summit area, and for 1 kilometer over this fracture formed 6 craters, and the activity lasted 3 months with the pyroclastic material because it's 2 different activities. The explosive activity started here, and at the side started the lava, the liquid lava, the fluid lava, and formed the other fracture. The magma come out and formed the channel of lava flow or the tunnel, the different activity. Look inside, and the other mineral and silica contain more mineral.
This is the soil of this volcano.
Yeah, blue. This is the gas.
It's the same type. But you can handle better.
Prettier.
No, I know. no, but it's just for.
What can we see here?
And we are here near the fracture from a 2002 eruption, and 3 years ago from this fracture escaped steam because the crater, when finished the activity, remained for a long time.
Dave, it's erupting.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, we're filming.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a serious reminder we're standing on an active volcano.